The first AI cyber attack has already begun. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning, unlocking your phone, and realizing something is horribly wrong. Your bank account is empty. Your email password is changed. Your social media accounts are posting things you never wrote. Private photos, private documents, even your identity, gone overnight. And the terrifying part is this. No human hacker may have done it. An AI could have done it completely on its own. That sounds like science fiction. But cybersecurity experts around the world are starting to warn about something dangerous. The age of autonomous cyber warfare. For decades, cyber attacks required highly skilled people. Hackers needed time, planning, coordination. A major cyber attack could take weeks or even months to prepare. Humans had limits. They needed sleep. They made mistakes. They got distracted. But artificial intelligence changes everything. Today's AI systems can already write code, analyze data, imitate human conversations, generate realistic voices, and automate complex tasks faster than any human alive. Now imagine combining all of those abilities into a single offensive AI system. An AI designed not to chat with humans, but to attack them. A system capable of scanning the internet for vulnerabilities every second, learning, adapting, improving continuously, without rest, without emotion, without hesitation. Researchers have started describing this future as autonomous cyber warfare. And while some parts are still theoretical, many pieces of the puzzle already exist right now. AI can already generate phishing emails that are nearly impossible to distinguish from real ones. Deepfake voice technology can now clone human speech with only a few seconds of audio. Some AI coding systems can generate functional malware in seconds, and that creates a terrifying possibility. What happens when cybercrime no longer requires expert hackers? What happens when anyone with access to advanced AI tools can launch sophisticated attacks? The barrier to cybercrime collapses, and suddenly, the scale of global cyber threats becomes unimaginable. There's even growing discussion online about rumored autonomous hacking systems. One name that occasionally appears in underground discussions is Mythos AI. No one knows whether it truly exists. Some believe it's only an internet myth. Others think it may be an experimental offensive AI project. But the idea behind it is what scares experts most. An AI capable of thinking strategically, changing tactics automatically, and attacking networks without direct human control. Traditional malware follows instructions. Old viruses behave like machines. They do exactly what they were programmed to do, nothing more. But AI malware could behave differently. It could observe defenses, learn from failures, change strategy instantly, and evolve during an attack. That changes cybersecurity completely, because humans move slowly. AI operates at machine speed. Imagine an AI scanning millions of devices across the world simultaneously. Phones, laptops, corporate servers, hospitals, airports, power grids, financial systems. Every connected device becomes a potential target, and the AI searches for the weakest point. Weak passwords, outdated software, misconfigured servers, human mistakes. Because in cybersecurity, humans are almost always the weakest link. Now imagine how a real AI-driven cyber attack could happen. Not in a movie, not in fiction, but in the real world. The attack begins quietly. The AI starts scanning social media platforms. LinkedIn, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, corporate websites. It collects information about employees inside a company. Who works there? What positions they hold? Who talks to whom? What projects they mention publicly? Even how they write emails. The AI builds detailed personality profiles automatically. Then it selects a target. Maybe someone in accounting. Maybe an HR employee. Maybe a junior developer with access to internal systems. Next, the AI gathers voice samples from public interviews, Zoom recordings, podcasts, or social media videos. Within minutes, it clones the voice of a company executive. Now the attack becomes personal. An employee receives a phone call. The caller sounds exactly like their manager. Same tone, same accent, same speaking style. The voice sounds stressed, urgent, convincing. The employee is told there's an emergency. A confidential file must be downloaded immediately. A login portal must be accessed quickly. Everything feels normal. Nothing seems suspicious. Because the AI understands human psychology. It knows how humans react under pressure. And unlike humans, it can run thousands of these social engineering attacks simultaneously. Eventually, one employee clicks the file. That's all it takes. Within seconds, malicious software enters the company network. And this is where autonomous AI becomes truly terrifying. The malware no longer waits for human instructions. The AI begins exploring the network automatically, mapping servers, escalating permissions, avoiding detection, disabling security systems, copying sensitive data, spreading across infrastructure faster than human teams can react. No sleep, no hesitation, no fear of getting caught, just continuous machine-speed decision-making. And by the time cybersecurity teams realize what's happening, the damage may already be done. Entire databases stolen, financial systems frozen, hospitals locked out of patient records, airports disrupted, critical infrastructure compromised. Now here's the frightening reality. Parts of this scenario are already happening today. AI-generated phishing scams are becoming dramatically more sophisticated. Deepfake scams have already stolen millions of dollars from businesses worldwide. Cybercriminal groups are experimenting with AI-generated malware, and AI tools are making advanced hacking capabilities accessible to people with very little technical skill. That means the number of potential attackers could explode. In the future, cybersecurity may become a non-stop AI versus AI war. Defensive AI systems protecting networks automatically. Offensive AI systems searching for weaknesses continuously. Machines fighting machines across the internet every second. And humans may struggle to keep up, because human reaction time is slow compared to machine intelligence. A human analyst might take hours to investigate suspicious activity. An AI could make thousands of decisions in that same moment. The internet was originally built for humans. Human communication, human businesses, human interaction. But the next evolution of the internet may be dominated by autonomous systems. AI defending infrastructure, AI controlling transportation, AI managing financial systems, AI running power grids. And if offensive AI becomes powerful enough, the consequences of a cyber attack could become far more dangerous than anything we've seen before. The next major cyber attack may not come from a hacker sitting in a dark room typing on a keyboard. It may come from an AI system operating silently inside a data center, thinking thousands of times faster than any human alive, learning in real time, adapting instantly, attacking globally. And by the time people realize it's happening, it may already be too late. Because the age of autonomous cyber warfare may have already begun.